All right, we're going to do a little bit different video today. We're going to be doing baking with Sugarplum and BrotherTim, but Sugarplum's going to be doing most of it. And we're calling this the Apple Cinnamon Toast Crunch Dump Cake.
I will show you the ingredients all throughout the video.
That's right, and we'll also have a list of the ingredients and the directions in the description.
This is all you need to make the dump cake. Apple pie filling, cinnamon toast crunch cereal, cinnamon toast crunch cake mix, baker's joy spray, and ground cinnamon spice.
And what's the final ingredient, Sugarplum?
2 sticks of butter. First, we're going to spray our pan with baker's joy. First, we need to wash our hands because there might be a bunch of germs in your hands.
That's right. And what else do we do?
Put our hair up.
That's right. There you go. Good.
It's my happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Now it's time to dry them. Thank you. Always use your manners.
Mm-hmm. And you want it like on top? Or
Yeah.
just wrapping around in the back?
Yeah, on top.
There you go.
And then, yeah, I just need you to hold it up. There.
Look good? Is it going to stay?
I don't even know what I look like.
Oh, you look fine.
Do I?
Yeah.
Can I see? Held. Now I got my hair up and washed my hands. Let's get started. Now we're going to use apple filling. We're just going to dump it in because that's why we call it a dump cake. Yeah, come out. It's not coming out.
There we go.
There. Oh.
All right, let's look and see if there's anything left. Take the spatula.
Let's get the rest out since we can't get it out. Ew. I just want to eat this so bad. And when we're done with that, we're going to use another can. That's right, 2 cans. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to spread it out. Get all the corners.
All right, what are we going to do next, Sugarplum?
The next thing we're going to do is crush up the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal and we're going to put it in a bag and then roll a rolling pin over it so it will crush. This is so satisfying. Get the ones on the sides because it might not be crushed up. Now we're going to dump it over the apples because it's a dump cake. Let's get
Be careful, don't get it all over the place.
Oh, no too much. I'm gonna cut. Oh,
That's fine. You got it. Just pull it up out of the apples. There we go.
here. There we go.
Okay, Sugar Plum, what are we doing next?
We're gonna pour the Cinnamon Toast Crunch cake mix onto our Cinnamon Toast Crunch and apples. See? Make sure you use this for your dump cake so it'll taste amazing.
And why do we call it a dump cake?
Because we dump it! Time to dump it. There. Now it's time to smooth it out. We don't want anyone to see the Cinnamon Toast Crunch or the apples, or else they'll know what's inside.
So now we've got the apples, we got the Cinnamon Toast Crunch, we got
Crushed
the
up.
crushed up, we got the cake mix over the top. What do we do next?
We're gonna add the spice. We're gonna use ground cinnamon.
All right.
And we're just gonna sprinkle it on the top. Not too much.
Yeah, just going down with it.
Now it's time to preheat the oven to 350. But remember, always have a grown-up's approval. Let's get started.
All right, so the oven has just beat. It's preheated at 350 degrees. What are we going to do?
Now we're going to put it in the oven and wait it out.
And who puts it in the oven?
You!
Adults, right?
Kids don't do it because they might burn themselves. Like I did when I was 2 or 3. I burnt my thumb.
Aw.
Yes.
And we're going to do what?
I just did it.
Let's do it again.
Now and when he puts it in the oven, we will, that's right, wait it out.
Okay. Now it's in the oven, and how long do we bake it?
40 to 50 minutes.
And then we test it with what?
A toothpick!
And how do we know? I mean, what are you going to do with a toothpick?
We're going to stick it in the cake and see if there's little cake mixtures on it. And if there is, we have to put it back in the oven for 5 or 10 minutes. And if there's not, then it's time to eat.
All right. Good job.
And this is what it looks like when you take it out the oven. Now it's time to taste. Now it's time to test it with this toothpick. Nothing came out, just tiny little crumbs.
So we're good.
We're going to skip it out and carry it to Mimi and Mommy.
All right. Who wants to go first?
It's delicious.
Mommy, what do you think?
It's scrumdiddlyumptious.
Ooh. Mimi?
I have no words. It's awesome.
Comment down below if you like it.